students, welcome to VZ. VZ Easy presents NCERT Solution, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 8. And chapter 8 is all about human health and diseases. So in this session, we are going to discuss two things. One, how you're supposed to write a specific answer, and two, an explanation of a answer. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Question 1 says, what are the various public health measures which you would suggest as safeguard against infectious diseases? Okay, so what are the things which you are supposed to keep in mind, or what are the things you can suggest that you are supposed to keep in mind regarding to infectious diseases? So the points here go like, the public health measure which can safeguard against infectious diseases include: point number 1, education. People made aware about infectious diseases so they can protect themselves against infections. So education is important. One should know what it is, how dangerous it can be. Okay. Point number 2, isolation. A person suffering from an infectious disease should be kept separately from healthy person. Okay. So if I am infected, I should be isolated from all the healthy people just so that I don't spread the infection. This is what is isolation, or I stands for. Now V is for vaccination. Vaccination. People should be vaccinated against infectious diseases. Okay. So vaccine is something that is a minor dose of the same trait of a virus is given to a person in the form of vaccine, so that that person has developed antibodies against it. We'll read further in this chapter, but this is how vaccination works. So vaccination is important. Sanitation is, proper sanitation should be of the surroundings can prevent the spread of infectious diseases, and proper sanitation of the surrounding can prevent the spread of diseases. Patients' belongings should be sterilized completely. Okay. And lastly, eradication of the vectors. Vectors are organisms that carry a virus from one place to another. So vectors are nothing but something that is carriers. So breeding places of vectors, if any, should be destroyed completely, and adult vectors killed by suitable methods. Okay, so to remember these 5 points, students, I have one formula for you. IV EESS. Okay, now I stands for isolation and V stands for vaccination. E stands for education and E stands for eradication, and S stands for sanitation and S stands for sterilization. So IV double E double S. Remember it this way. Okay, students?